structural integrity at 50%. Warning, core structural integrity is below safe operating parameters. Please shut down the reactor and engage the automated maintenance system. Attention, core structural integrity at 25%. Dark matter reactor instability. Power fluctuations may occur. Structural integrity monitoring system failure. Attempting to reboot. Critical error. Integrity status unknown. Failure. Pressure status unknown. All facility scientific personnel, please evacuate immediately. You have 11 minutes to reach minimum safe distance.
Facility automated management system. The lockdown code has been overwritten with the designation code Bravo Niner. Please proceed to the shuttering door for evacuation immediately. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
Dark matter reactor instability. Total power failure imminent. Attention. Dark matter reactor integrity monitoring system failure preemption protocol initiated. Engaging code red emergency.
Attention reactor operations, control room personnel. You are instructed to attempt a reactor shutdown for evacuation.
Estimating time of reactor destruction. Danger. Dark matter reactor explosion will occur in T-minus 10 minutes. The option to shut down the reactor core will expire in T-minus 5 minutes. The option to shut down the dark matter reactor is now active. Please note the temperature must be below 3000 Kelvin to allow for the combustion stall protocol to engage. Attention, the distress signal has been sent by reactor operations personnel. To reestablish connection with Eastern Seaboard Communications.
Operators, the FAAS engineers are going to attempt to salvage what's left of the servers to crack the shutdown code. Hi, on your end. Science personnel, please evacuate immediately. Dark matter reactor superstructure integrity dropping. Engage thermal systems immediately. Attention, facility maintenance personnel. Please report status immediately. Attention, facility critical. Please do not use the elevator. System error detected. Severe system damage. Shutting down. Danger. Dark matter reactor explosion will occur in T-minus 5 minutes. The option to shut down the reactor core has now expired. Attention, all facility personnel. A code black directive has been issued. Evacuate the Tartarus immediately. Attention, dark matter reactor operations team. Please evacuate the facility immediately. System error. Reactor controls irresponsive to dark matter reactor primary control node. Attention, facility personnel. Please proceed to the nearest object immediately. Dark matter pressure purging system ineffective. Pressure continues to rise. Further degradation of structural integrity may be possible.